Hello everyone. So we are seeing recently government changing its approach जब हम बात करते हैं being self-sufficient या boosting domestic manufacturing particularly to laptops and PCs. So we see here that government is trying to link, for example, a credit system which will be linked with the domestic capacity expansion going forward. So implementing policies and measures in silos is not going to help us. And secondly, we see that government is going to use the import permissions because हम import duties laptops PCs के ऊपर और increase नहीं कर सकते because we have to stay compliant with the WTO norms also. We need to ensure कि again the trade also remains fair and that is not getting hurt. अगेन घूम फिर के हम चाइना की बात करेंगे करेंगे क्योंकि चाइना का यहाँ पे भी डोमिनेंट मार्केट शेयर है ऑफ 81%. सो इम्पोर्ट मॉनिटरिंग सिस्टम हम डिप्लॉय कर रहे हैं बट अगेन एवरीथिंग goes back to the import dependency where raw material import dependency is a major challenge कि हम उस issue को कैसे solve करें. Supply of critical minerals, rare earth minerals, again, China has the domination not just in the resource availability but in terms of processing and refining also.